फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I'm Saramya Kaushik. Now today's biggest headline was Ravindra Jadeja's dismissal against Rajasthan Royals. Now what all happened in the match? First up, Rajasthan Royals were defeated by Chennai Super Kings. CSK won the match by 5 wickets, but the biggest talking point of the match was Ravindra Jadeja's weird dismissal. Now you all must have read the headlines and you must be wondering what is obstructing the field. So these are the two pictures where you can clearly identify what happened. Now, first up, I'll tell you what happened in the match, and then we'll discuss about what's obstructing the field, whether Jadeja was out or not out. So, in the 16th over of the match, Ravindra Jadeja played Avesh Khan towards the third man and rushed for a single. After that, he thought another run can be, pulled out, and that time he chose to go for another run. But on the other side, Ruturaj Gaikwad wasn't very keen enough to take the run. So Jadeja was at the halfway mark when Sanju Samson, the RR wicketkeeper, collected the ball from the third man and fired it towards the bowler's end. So obviously at that point where Gaikwad wasn't keen to take a run and Jadeja found out that he has to turn back and go back to his place, at that time Jadeja turned around and changed his direction to run across the pitch and got hit by Sanju Samson's throw. RR fielders and players appealed, and the third umpire was convinced that Jadeja was watching the ball and he was aware where it was heading. So Jadeja then changed his side, and to save his wicket, he changed his way of or path of running. Now, in simpler terms, जडेजा भाग रहे थे दूसरे रन के लिए, लेकिन गायकवाड़ ने उधर मना कर दिया. तो जडेजा जैसे ही मुड़े तो उन्होंने एक बार पीछे मुड़कर देखा कि संजू सैमसन किस तरफ थ्रो कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने देखा कि सैमसन इस तरफ थ्रो कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाइल जडेजा वाज रनिंग, सो आई विल मेक इट clearer to you. So while Jadeja was running here, he found out that the throw will be here. So he turned his side and he went this side to save his wicket. और इसीलिए उन्होंने संजू सैमसन की जो थ्रो आई वो उनको लगी, ना कि विकेट्स को. And that's called obstructing the field. यानी कि आप जिस डायरेक्शन में भाग रहे हैं, आप अपनी डायरेक्शन मिडवे चेंज कर लें टू सेव योर विकेट. उसको कहते हैं कि आपने फील्ड को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट किया. एंड इट इज क्लियर, राइट? सो बिकॉज यू आर वॉकिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, यू आर सपोज टू वॉक इन दिस डायरेक्शन और रन इन दिस डायरेक्शन. If you will change the course of your path, then obviously you will be obstructing the path of the other fielder who's throwing the ball. So that's called obstructing the field, and it is a legal dismissal. There is nothing wrong in it. लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये किस तरीके का रन आउट हुआ या ये किस तरीके का डिसमिसल हुआ, क्योंकि बॉल तो विकेट्स पे लगी ही नहीं. लेकिन इट्स इन द रूल्स एंड माना जाता है कि अगर कोई भी प्लेयर ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है फील्ड को तो उनको आउट ही माना जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर जडेजा ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं कर रहे होते उस समय तो ये बॉल शायद डायरेक्ट विकेट्स पे लगती और जडेजा आउट होते. नाउ ये तो ऑब्वियसली जडेजा को बॉल लगी उसके बाद का विजुअल है, बट दिस इज अ क्लियर विजुअल. सो इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट जडेजा, from my point of view, Jadeja was at the left part of the pitch. And then when he saw where Samson is throwing the ball, he changed his path and went to the right, which means that he changed his path and he obstructed the field, and that's how he got out. So that is all about Ravindra Jadeja's dismissal. If you will be wondering ki this was the first time, this is not the first time. Earlier also these things have happened in IPL, and Ravindra Jadeja's this dismissal is the third of its kind. Before that, Yusuf Pathan, who was playing for Kolkata Knight Riders in 2013, he got out in the same fashion in Ranchi against Pune Warriors India. And then if you remember 2019 in Vizag, Amit Mishra, who was playing for Delhi Capitals, he was also given this kind of out while he was playing against Sunrisers Hyderabad. And this is the third time when obstructing the field dismissal has been given in IPL. So Ravindra Jadeja's dismissal became the third dismissal of this kind. So if you're thinking that it was not a legal dismissal, it was शॉट अ लीगल डिसमिसल, और अगर कोई भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करता है फील्ड को तो उसको आउट माना जाता है. एंड दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड अगेन. Before Ravindra Jadeja's dismissal, Yusuf Pathan, Amit Mishra, both have been given out in this fashion, and the third one is Ravindra Jadeja. So that's that from what is obstructing the field and whether Jadeja was out or not out against RR. Well, to sum up all of this, Chennai Super Kings, again I'll tell you, they won the match by 5 wickets, but the biggest talking point was Jadeja's dismissal. For more such information, you stay tuned to Cricket Next.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.